iOS 15 beta on iPhone. Hello iPhone lovers. I have a very good news for you. Recently iPhone released the iOS 15 beta version. If you don't know what beta is, it's okay. Beta version is the testing version. Almost every software released their beta version before the releasing their real version. Okay, you can Google it for more. This is the software that will run on millions of iPhones and iPads when Apple releases the final version this fall. But you don't have to wait that long to sign up for the iOS 15 beta and install it. I'll give the link to the video description. Many mind-blowing features you'll get on the iOS 15. I am surprised with these new features. Feature number 1, Focus option. I hate getting notifications, especially after 11 p.m. I want peace of mind, and I don't want to be near my phone at all. Apple has a solution for this, and it's called Focus. What this feature does is allow you to create profiles, so you can select which app or person sends you notifications at a particular time. This is really awesome. Feature number 2, FaceTime. FaceTime is a video conferencing platform. But the cool thing is, for the first time, Apple is opening FaceTime to Android and Windows platforms. And Share Play and Live Text are also impressive. So don't wait to taste the new iOS 15. And please subscribe and comment below about your reaction for iOS 15.